welcome back to my channel, Ashton Drake Love. I'm here with baby Cassie. She's so adorable. Now I'm going to be giving her changing. I hope you enjoyed the last video I did with this little cutie. Yeah, she's so adorable. Huh, Cassie? Who loves her name though? I think it's adorable. My mom actually thought of it and came up with, oh, I love that name. Yeah, my mom comes up with the most cutest names, boy or girl. So, she came up with Cassie. So, Cassie Diaz. Hi, Cassie. Oh, so adorable. Now let's go get her in their outfit. It is so hot today. I'm sure as you've seen. Yeah, it is so hot and I'm just waiting for winter to come. I'm Cassie. You get all nice and cozy. And watch all those, movie nights. It's not movie, I won't say movie nights, but it's those cozy days. Oh, I can't wait. Mommy can't wait. But let's go get her, an outfit for the day. Okay, like I said, it is very hot outside, so let's get into the girl stuff. This dress it's cute, but with it being long sleeve, this is not a day for a long sleeve. So we're gonna go with this little outfit and put on her. It's gonna have any like socks that look cute on her that would kind of go with it. Actually, I think I do. It is so much easier, looking for things with this joy, all fixed. So much easier. Here's these socks. I do have a plain pink, and there's pink in the outfit. That's what I'm kind of looking for. But there is these if I don't see them. Yeah, see how these are this plain mint green? I have a pair that's all baby pink. No, it is so much better, like I said, to get stuff out of here. They have a lot of socks. Yes, they do. But I'm not seeing those one pair. It's okay. These will work, definitely. Plain pink. With the pink little headband. Okay. Let's go get, baby Cassie all dressed up. What, baby Cassie? You can sit in your talking? Mommy had to go get your clothes. Yeah. He's backing away. Yeah. Really? You love talking. Yes, you do. Okay, as you see, yeah, I did get this little outfit for her because it is so very hot outside. Again, I can't wait till we hit, the summer goes bye-bye and we sick, and there's the little bloomers to, to come up a diaper and socks with a headband. Okay, Cassie. What? Really? What? Mommy's just trying to get you jazz. You just want to talk. Yeah. Whoops. She just wants to talk away. Look, Mommy got you an outfit. Can Mommy put it on you, huh? Huh, little girls? So adorable. Just put on the little bloomers. Diaper cover. Bloomers a diaper cover. Same thing, huh? Is it the same thing? Yeah, she was newborn to 0 to 3. And I have plenty of those. It's just, bigger size. I need more the most. Oh, baby Cassie. Do you want to sit up? Can you sit up? Just put on the top that goes with it. Huh? Okay. Yeah, Mommy has the top. Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. What, you like that? I know. Oh. Grandmama bought this outfit. Yeah, my mom bought this outfit as well. Yeah. Really? You just like talking away. Huh? Well, how does she look? I'm not dead. I want to put on her socks and the little headband. Yeah. Yeah, that top drawer now, it's so wonderful. Whatever I need, I just, grab. No more digging, no more, nothing like that. So I love it. I know as, you start, I'm looking for a certain outfit or something like that, the drawer eventually needs to be folded. Um, but no, that top one was bad, and I'm glad I did it that night when it was, just, I believe it was, yeah, just, was it Kevin that was, yeah, cause, yeah, no, yeah, I believe it was Kevin that was still up. He had that long nap, but I'm glad I did it. You kids put on your little headband. I know! You love, you and your brother and Cassandra need to get together and let's talk away. Yes, I know. I know. I keep on saying you and your brother need to get together. You, Kevin, and Cassandra get together and talk away. I know. Yes, I know, baby. I know. Yeah, her and her brother and her other sister, they three of them, they just need to get together and let's talk away. Cause they all three just erupt mommy all the time. Okay, well here she is. So adorable. So cute. Now she's quiet. Huh. So adorable. Wanna come to mommy a second? Wanna come to mommy a second, little girl? Come here. Oh, there you go again. Well, no, how does she look though? So cute. Cassie? You just talking to me. Yeah. I know, baby. I know, baby. She's just so adorable. Yeah. It's so cute. I thought she was talking and cooing. Okay, give him a little talking too. Yeah, I know. Yeah. So cute. I know. Are you done talking now? So cute. Now, how does she look though? All dressed out. No, it's way too hot. Again, for like, even I'm ready to skip. Actually, I want to skip fall. Let's go straight to winter. It is so hot today. But I hope you enjoyed her little changing. Again, her, Kevin, and Cassandra just needs to get together and have their own conversation. Yes. Huh. But no, yeah, I hope you are enjoying all the videos I am doing with this little one. I think the next video will be one with another baby to give her, a break. So, yeah. I think that's what the socks that I was looking for. I think one of the other babies probably has it on. That happens to me lots of times. I could be looking for something and I find out, and I already put it on one of the other babies. So that's probably what happened with the socks. But it's okay. These worked, huh? The pink in this outfit, huh? No more talking. No, but again, I hope you enjoyed again so far what videos I am doing with this little cutie. Again, my next video will probably a video to up a different baby, you know. I don't want them to, you know, forget the other babies and stick with, you know, the new baby. Gotta continue with, you know, my whole collection. But no, I hope you enjoyed this, you know, her little changing. Like this video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video when it gets uploaded. If you want, share any of the videos, I don't mind. But no, yeah, I guess let's go from here. Give the video a thumbs up. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.